Hey lovely ones, how are you? Hope you're well. This is Dion from Kimami Mosaics. If you are new to my channel, I create African inspired mosaics. Now this video is going to be slightly different. I'm looking down because you may have seen in my previous videos, I've recently celebrated 500 subscribers. Yay! And I did say in that video that I was going to show you the process of how I created my birthday cake, celebration cake, not birthday cake, celebration cake for getting 500 subscribers. Anyway, so this video, I thought I'll do something a little bit different. I know that you're used to me showing you the whole process and talking over it and stuff like that. Well, I'm going to do something similar but different. So I'm going to show you the process, but what I'm going to be saying is not how I do it, if that makes sense. I'm going to be using this cake as a metaphor for trusting in the process, for growth, and probably embracing the beauty of imperfection, because I think, well, just watch the video and I'm sure you'll get what I mean. As I gathered my metaphorical ingredients I needed to create this cake, I couldn't help but feel a wave of uncertainty. I mean, would this turn out the way I envisioned? The answer lay in trusting myself, trusting that my hands, guided by my heart, would create something beautiful, no matter what the outcome would be. Just like in life, we don't always have a clear picture of how things will unfold, but trust is the glue that holds our vision together. Hey guys, I had to film this bit because I thought it was really scientifically interesting. Look. Did you see what just happened there? Because I'm so electric, it wants to follow me. Look, I put it on there and look. Isn't that amazing? Science is just amazing. Watch. Look. Oh, okay. It's finished. Science project over. always wanted to make a cake, and of course I felt the need to make it African inspired. So I ended up choosing these Moroccan style tiles and added my favourite cowrie shells, which symbolise prosperity and my connection to my heritage. And since I love the number 3, I decided to have 3 layers, each representing a different aspect of my journey: past, present and future. Step by step, the cake started to come to life. Each stage, from prepping the first layer to arranging the tiles, was a lesson in patience and persistence. Growth often feels slow and messy, but it's in these small, consistent efforts that we build something extraordinary. This cake was a testament to that journey, a mosaic of moments coming together to create a whole. There were moments when I dropped a tile or added too much adhesive, but each mistake taught me something valuable. Just like in my art and life, these moments aren't failures, but stepping stones to becoming better. They taught me to adjust, to be flexible, and most importantly, to be kind to myself. When I placed the final tile on top, I noticed the uneven edges and imperfect lines, but rather than seeing them as mistakes, I chose to see them as character. Life, much like my mosaic cake, isn't about perfection. It's about the story each imperfection tells, the stories of our struggles, our resilience, and our continuous effort to create beauty in the chaos. So my first mosaic cake is complete, and I'm treating it as a symbol of trusting in my abilities. It's also about finding my inspiration and embracing the process of growth, and of course loving every imperfect detail. So whether in my studio or in life, I'm celebrating these moments of creation. And remember everyone, it's not about the perfect outcome, but the joy in the journey. Thanks for watching. Please continue to watch, subscribe, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.